Take a look at this little box. It may look plain on the outside, but don't let that fool you. This little thing is actually the key to bringing 5G to your branch network. And the best part is, you don't need to rebuild anything to make it work. Today I got my hands on Huawei's brand new 5G RU. Let's crack it open. Right out of the box. The port layout is super clean. You get a 2.5 GE electrical port and a 10 GE optical port. So you're fully covered for high-speed transmission. Next to them is a dual SIM setup with active backup switching, plus support for 4 APNs. This means even if one SIM card goes down, you can stay online without missing a beat. And over here, you've got 2 USB Type-A ports for extra expansion when you need it. Now let's take a look at the appearance. This RU has that rugged industrial vibe. Solid build, smooth lines, and best of all, no fan, so it runs completely silent. And if you're looking for a power module, there isn't one because it runs on PoE, meaning one Ethernet cable handles both data and power. One cable in, no mess, no hassle. Even though it is compact, the hardware inside is serious. It comes with 8 intelligent antennas for strong, stable signal quality. And the 5G performance, that is Huawei's specialty. You get downlink 3cc and uplink 2cc, with a theoretical downlink air interface rate of up to 5.4 Gbps and an uplink rate of 500 Mbps. It also supports 5G SA and NSA architectures, and is backward compatible with 4G. So yeah, your network speed just got a major upgrade. This RU isn't just powerful, it is adaptable. It's IP65 rated, dustproof and waterproof, ready for outdoor exposure. It can operate from -40 degrees Celsius all the way up to 65 degrees Celsius. So extreme cold or heat is no problem. And you can install it on a desk, on a wall, or on a pole, whatever fits your site. So, how exactly do we deploy this RU? It supports 2 deployment modes, depending on your scenario. You can use it as a standalone 5G gateway, giving you 5G broadband access along with SD-WAN and advanced security features. It's great for outdoor video sites, no cabinet needed, and you get a stable 5G video backhaul. Or you can use it as a 5G access unit paired with an AR router. The AR router can remotely configure and manage the RU. Think retail stores. This RU extends the router's 5G capabilities. And because it is compact, you can even hide it behind a signboard. Clean and invincible. Alright, let's walk through the setup in a co-deployment scenario. Pop in a SIM card, connect the RU to an AR router using a port that supports PoE. Then go to the controller and finish the configuration. Once that's done, your network instantly gets a 5G boost. Enough talking, let's run a speed test. And yeah, the numbers speak for themselves. This 5G RU gives enterprises a fast, high-quality 5G WAN for branch networks. And thanks to its compact industrial design, you can deploy it almost anywhere. If you're building a modern 5G network, this is definitely one of the strongest options out there.